channel. Construction vehicle. The construction vehicle collection. This is a mixer. This is a forklift. This is an excavator. Dump truck with lots of batteries in.
And then what's next? What's that?
Construction bulldozer. This one? Cement mixer, excavator. These are for the logs. And these are for the digging canaphoria. These are for digging canaphoria. And these trucks are going in the city.
What are they gonna do in the city?
They're gonna drive in.
And then?
They're going to the dump site.
Oh. Are they gonna build something? A building?
It's my new house.
Oh, you're gonna build your new house?
I'm gonna build Tinang's new house.
Oh, wow, cool. What are you?
You're gonna see in my room.
I'm going to sleep in your room?
Can you see my room? Can I see my room? The construction vehicle fixed it. Look at my room. Look at my room.
It's super awesome.
And look at my controllers.
That's so cool. Well, what else can you tell them about your construction vehicle?
This is dump truck. This is my dump truck. This is the road roller. Excavator, jackhammer, and cement mixer, crane, excavator, define truck, define dump truck. This is a jackhammer.
How about this?
This is a road roller.
Roar. What about this?
This is dump truck.
And this one is?
Water log. This vehicle. This is a road roller.
Road roller.
This is a hump for. This is for a lorry. This is a lorry for this. For the logs.
How about this?
This is the bulldozer. This is a excavator.
Next?
This is a dump truck.
And this one is?
Last one. This is cement mixer.
Cool. How about this?
Excavator.
This one?
Cement mixer.
This one?
Bulldozer. Dump truck with all the batteries in. Excavator. Forklift.